Welcome back, guys, to Dr. D's YouTube channel. Namhlanje we've got iPhone 11. So the phone then it came all the way from Cape Town by sending it via Pep, so you can send yours too. So the problem with the phone was I saw the screen. So all we did is we ordered a brand new screen for our client. Right. So you can see what's in no line and stuff. So now I can make as well as my it up. That was it, that the one number one to get guys that don't share personal information on this page. Online, yeah. So I can tell you and stuff, so we're gonna open it up and see what's going on. Yesterday we did replace a back glass. As you can see, Nansila Indala. Unfortunately for you guys, I miss one of that footage, being shared on the basic put on. I was tired, so I didn't record a video. So this is the remains of the old glass, and this is what it looks like now. So now I'm trying to just replacing the screen. The service, guys, it's very cheap, very cheap. So Panama prices on you will see down the prices. Depends on which phone it is. For this one, I'll write in the description. Just watch and learn. Maybe now the kaya, but don't take that risk. Rather send it to Dr. D to do it for you. Alright, so let's unbox. Then we've got our package. It already comes with the tools. So yeah, my favorite guys, so everything, because the customer bought this, it belongs to them. But if they don't want it, then it's fine, I'll keep it. But I've already got the tools, so for them. So then the first thing you get is screen, brand new screen. This is a brand new screen. So basically this phone is being refurbished to being a brand new iPhone 11. Lana, it's the glue to hold the screen down, so comes in that pattern so that it is still waterproof. And then complimentary screen protector. This screen protector I've not fetched on 7 years. It's been 3 or 4 years now. 7 years. I don't think it's necessary. It just makes your phone look untidy, because see a cracker, and your screen doesn't crack. That thing cracks, and you would think it's working, but it's just cracking. So it's just, that's my belief. Yeah? So I just think they're just selling us these screen protectors to make out, but like I can show you both my phones. At least I want to, but the camera screens are very robust. Okay guys, I'm just gonna quickly change the angle of the video so that I can use both my hands. Hopefully you guys will still see what's going on here.